Hi. Imagine waking up in the morning with no debt, no car loans, no mortgage, just freedom. And that was me, Christmas 2023. After 12 years in the UK, the wife and I made our last mortgage payment, and that feeling was indescribable. Hi, this is Meknath, and welcome to my channel, Middle Class Millionaire. On this channel, I'll be sharing my experience so far being debt free, and today's video, I'll be sharing 5 psychological benefits that I've felt and I still live by today. The first psychological benefit that I've ever felt, the high that comes out of being mortgage free is completely different to anything else I have experienced. For example, about a year ago, I bought a Beamer. I've always wanted a BMW. I've had that for almost 1.5 years now. Um, but in the first 6 months, the novelty of having this car has worn off. I don't know why that's the case. However, the peace or the happiness that comes out of not having any debt, or especially the mortgage, the novelty does not wear off. I still feel exactly the same level of happiness or level of peace that I've felt 2 years ago. A second benefit is definitely health. There are many ways to look after your health. You can join a gym, have a good exercise regime, really good diet. But the best return on investment I see for the long term is having good quality sleep. And I have felt this firsthand that not having any debt around you, that sense of security, I sleep at peace. Um, I don't know how else to describe it. I go to sleep without any worry whatsoever, and a huge part of it has got to do with not having debt. The third benefit I've felt is there is an uplift in your confidence and control. And let me explain what I mean by that. Your income is the most important wealth building tool that you've got, and you feel a lack of control and lack of self assurance when you're giving a major portion of your income to the bank or to the lender. That has an impact on the level of control that you actually have on your finances or your investment or your future self. And there's also another thing that comes with not having any financial commitments. You realize that you're not working for the bank anymore. You're working for your future, for your kids, for your family. That really gives a sense of confidence, or that has given me the sense of confidence, especially at work. And that sense of control has absolutely changed the way I carry myself personally and professionally. The other benefit that I've noticed is when you don't have this background noise, it feels like your mind is open to any challenge. Um, it's open to being more creative, um, and that's also one of the main reasons why I think starting this YouTube channel is a reflection of that. I would have never dreamt of creating a YouTube channel when I was in debt, because this background noise shuts everything, or I felt it shuts a portion of your life, and you feel confined. Not anymore though, no. And in the last 2 years, I've felt that not having a debt is not actually removing burden, but it's actually opening doors. It opens doors to peace, it opens door to finding your own purpose and not being in the rat race like most of us unfortunately are. Because like I said in my previous video, debt is normalized, unfortunately. In a nutshell, the high that comes with being completely debt free is very different. It does not wear off. It gives you you have more confidence, and you can take control of your life. You sleep better, and that improves your health. You actually stop caring what others think. become very self assured, should I say. And I assure you this, the benefits go beyond numbers. Believe me, you. Yes, you can invest, instead of paying your debt, you can invest that and potentially get 12%, 14% return on investment. But it's not going to buy you the feeling of being completely debt free and the feeling that security brings in your life. So, if this message resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, Middle Class Millionaire. And in the weeks to come, I will be sharing exactly what I do with my salary before buying a house, during paying the debt, and now that I'm debt free, what do I do with it? Hopefully, you'll find some insights and you can apply in your life. Thank you for watching and thank you for giving me your time. And hopefully, I'll bring more value in the future videos. This is Meknath. Life is good, God is great. See you soon. Bye.